In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve zip file not extracting on Windows 11. If you're trying to open a zip file on your Windows 11 PC and nothing happens, or you see an error when you try to extract it, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through several practical fixes, starting from the simplest checks and moving toward more advanced solutions. Just follow along, pause the video when you need to, and try each method in order. First, let's confirm that the problem is really with Windows and not the zip file itself. Try opening a different zip file, preferably one you know worked before. If other zip files open normally, then the original file might be corrupted or incomplete. In that case, re-download it from the original source, or ask the sender to compress and send it again. Corrupted downloads are one of the most common causes of extraction issues. If no zip files are opening, the next thing to check is your default app for zip files. On Windows 11, zip support is built in, so right-click your zip file and choose Open With. Then select File Explorer. If it opens correctly this way, you can set File Explorer as the default. Right-click the file again, choose Open With, then choose another app. Select File Explorer and tick the box that says Always use this app. If you still can't extract, try moving the zip file to a simple folder, like your desktop or documents, and make sure the path doesn't have unusual symbols. Very long file paths or special characters can prevent extraction. Also, try extracting to a different folder where you know you have full permissions. Next, check for software conflicts. Security programs can sometimes block extraction. Temporarily disable real-time protection in your antivirus or security suite. Then attempt to extract the file again. If it works while protection is off, add that zip or destination folder to your antivirus exclusions before turning protection back on. It's also helpful to run a quick system check. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the window that opens, type SFC Scanno and press Enter. This scans and repairs corrupted system files that might interfere with built-in zip support. When it finishes, restart your computer and try the extraction again. Finally, if the built-in tool still gives you trouble, you can install a trusted third-party archive program from a well-known source. These tools often handle problematic or partially corrupted archives better than the default extractor. By moving through these steps calmly and methodically, you'll usually pinpoint the cause and get your zip files extracting properly again on Windows 11.